What are we making today? How about a delicious pot roast? Today I'm going to make a quick, very simple to make pot roast. It is delicious and super easy. Most of the ingredients came from right here on our farm. The roast itself is from a cattle that we butchered that grazed the land. We grow many vegetables. However, peas are not one of them that we grow. I'm going to be adding that to the pot roast today. Peas just take up so much space with very little yield that we just don't fool with it. But I do have some frozen peas and they will work just fine. I have just laid the roast in the bottom of a crock pot and have added about 1 inch of water. I will probably have to add more water, but for now, this is good. I turn the crock pot on while I am chopping the vegetables and getting everything ready to add to the roast. My crock pot heats very warm, so if I set it at keep warm, it is really the low setting, and the low setting is really the high setting. You can either cook this on low for 8 to 10 hours or on high for 4 to 6 hours. Either way, your home will smell delicious. And if you set this and go to work and come home, you will be welcomed to a smell of hungry. I am going to be adding something to the water to give it some oomph. It is much like a gravy-ish type mixture. I have already pre-mixed this to add to the roast. I keep it on hand when anything like this is being made. I can also add it to soups or stews or anything like that. So what this consists of is dried parsley, dried chives, garlic powder, onion powder, Redmond's real salt, pepper, buttermilk powder, chicken bouillon granules, xanthan gum, and almond flour. Now, if you are not on the keto diet, you can substitute the xanthan gum with cornstarch and the almond flour with all-purpose flour if you like. Simply add that to the crock pot along with any other seasonings that you desire. Give it a good stir and let it cook. It is that simple. It is sure to please even the pickiest of eaters. Pair this with mashed potatoes, or if you are on the keto diet, pair it with a salad and you are set. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.